Tree Project De Leon.
Araw sa ating lahat. Good morning to everyone. First of all, I would like to thank the Lord for this day. For the dahil sa umpisa na ito sa realization ng aking dream para sa aking mga anak. At ganun din napapasalamat ako sa Bastana for being an instrument para sa dream na ito. May this blessing that has been showered upon us be also a blessing to all who have been and who will be part of this project. God bless us all. Have a good day.